Sunbrand Industrial Company Limited. Sunbrand Industrial's pellet mill was developed to solidify pellets from powders such as animal feed, organic fertilizer, and sawdust. It creates pellets from material by applying pressure between the roller and large die surface, thus helping to use various materials easily and conveniently. Sunbrand Industrial's biggest advantage is that it has a low noise roller, and pellets make relatively few crumbs. Also, it provides a high output of solid pellets by forcefully pushing out thick pellets between the roller and die surface, even in case of products that are difficult to pellet. Also, the permanently lubricated roller bearings, which are especially sealed, not only prevent the lubricant from contaminating the pellets, but also prevent the loss of lubricant oil. Mixtures of high levels of fat and molasses can be effectively made into pellets.